what's up? I'm going to show you how to play Bury Me Alive on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. The chords you'll need are F, E major, and A minor. F is X, open 3, 2, 1, 1. I'm going to play it 3, 2, 1 open. E major is open 2, 2, 1, open, open. A minor is X, open 2, 2, 1, open. For the strumming pattern, it's just all up strokes, so you'll kind of the chorus goes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you didn't quite pick it up the first time around, just replay the video. You'll get it.